Welcome to our rice cooker showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy 10-cup rice cooker and the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker. The Zojirushi, known for its advanced Neuro Fuzzy technology, promises perfect rice every time, while the CUCKOO offers great features at a more affordable price. We'll look at their capacities, cooking technologies, and unique features to see which rice cooker reigns supreme. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy is a premium product, retailing at $327. This high price reflects its advanced technology and build quality. In contrast, the CUCKOO Micom offers a more budget-friendly option at just $129, making it an attractive choice for families looking for value without sacrificing performance. While the Zojirushi may deliver exceptional results, the CUCKOO provides a fantastic balance of features and affordability. Capacity is another crucial factor to consider. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy boasts a generous 10-cup uncooked capacity, making it ideal for larger families or gatherings. On the other hand, the CUCKOO Micom has a 6-cup uncooked capacity, which is suitable for smaller households. While the Zojirushi can handle bigger batches, the CUCKOO is perfect for everyday cooking without taking up too much space on your countertop. Both rice cookers utilize advanced fuzzy logic technology to ensure perfectly cooked rice. The Zojirushi features proprietary Neuro Fuzzy technology, which adapts cooking parameters based on real-time feedback, resulting in consistently fluffy rice. Meanwhile, the CUCKOO Micom also employs fuzzy logic, but offers additional features like a quick rice mode and an auto-clean function, enhancing convenience for busy users. Ultimately, both technologies aim to simplify the cooking process and deliver great results. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy and CUCKOO Micom rice cookers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Zojirushi excels in capacity and advanced technology, making it a top choice for rice enthusiasts, while the CUCKOO offers excellent value and convenience for everyday use. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these rice cookers could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.